to show how to set out the mansion weave. We have three components that create the design. So you've got a left angle, a right angle and a hexagon. But it's a 2-to-1 process. So you need two lefts, one to the hexagon and one to the right to create the design. This continues to repeat itself. So first of all, you've got the center of the room on the north-south line, and then east-west line is the center point of the area. Now the hexagon itself is 285 from top to bottom. We need to half that size to ensure we're centering the pattern and the cuts around the perimeter. So that is 142. So measuring 142 downwards or upwards, whichever point, and then you start your tip of the hexagon on the center line where that 142 line crosses the center. Now always start from the bottom corner, placing away, wrapping around the hexagon first of all. The reason for this is if you start off your miters, it's a guesstimate and this won't work for the alignment. So you just continue around, place it in nicely, and as you can see it just continues as you go. You just continue until you finish the first row. That's the first wrap around. You can then start to place the hexagons in place. Now ideally you don't want to be going across the area because you're going to start to want to twist the design. Sometimes the way the hexagons are cut, you might need to spin it because of the drag blade, but 99% of the time it'll be perfect. You just continue to pop them in. Now as we're laying the design, you're creating what we call a knot, as you can see. They're always going the same way. Same again. Flex in nice in. If it doesn't work, just return.